Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. So I have got this Elf Cosmetics blush wand in shade Candlelight, and I'm seeing this blush all over the internet nowadays, like YouTube and Instagram. So thought to give it a try. This one is, as you can see, a very light peach shade. Of course, it gets blend very easily, but not giving any color. So I thought to try it with some other powder blush, and this blush from She Glam I'm using beneath this candlelight blush, and we'll see how it works. I believe after putting on some different shade of blush and then topping it with this one, it might give a good result because it is more of looking like a highlighter than blush because the color is so light. But yes, formulation is really good, so I'd like to try in some other shade. There are two different shades. I have seen it on Amazon, and this is how it looks in natural light. You can see good, not but not great. So if you want to apply this particular shade, you need to apply some powder blush beneath, and then you can apply. It will work more of highlighter. Hope this helps.